Check out this 2003 BMW 3 Series. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. And memory settings are one of many features. Call today to schedule a test drive.